Hi, this is your Captain Chris speaking. We are on our way to Waynoka, Oklahoma. We're experiencing a little turbulence on the way, but it's going to be a little rainy on the first day, a little windy on the second and third, but we're going to get some really dope shots and make a dope YouTube video that's going to go viral. Here. So we're going to the sand dunes. It's windy as
It's extremely windy.
Sarah said we couldn't take in our cameras. Devin, where's yours at?
So have them get up on the hill and I'm gonna fly over them. So, in case you guys were wondering, we actually did get a film permit from Little Sahara State Park to film there. However, it's after they confiscated our cameras the first day. But if you guys are gonna film there, just hit up the office. Park manager's really cool. Tell them you're gonna make a dope travel video and they'll more than likely give it to you. Huge shout out to Devin Reed for helping me down in Waynoka, Oklahoma, capturing some of the shots that you guys saw in this video. You the GOAT, bro. Last but not least, if you guys are staying at Little Sahara State Park or in Waynoka, Oklahoma, I highly recommend staying at Ash Street Stables. My dude Brian Blackwood hooked us up with a nice stay in the camper outside while we were there filming the Airbnbs. There's 3 Airbnbs, each with what I say 3 rooms and 4 total bunk beds, and there's couches so you can sleep a plethora of people, which if you're out on the sand dunes all day, you get a lot of sand in a lot of crazy areas, and let me tell you, you want to stay in somewhere nice when you're off the dunes. These Airbnbs have just aesthetics that are absolutely amazing throughout them, from the living rooms, the bedrooms, not to mention the bathrooms are absolutely amazing. Brian absolutely killed it, and I mean, if you're gonna go, you might as well get the full experience. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna put the link to Ash Street Stable in the bio or description below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for the next, I don't even know what we're calling these, Airbnb travel experience videos. Let's go. Peace. You got the gear?